Dr. Andrea Ball.
And I'm Dr. Craig Ball, and we own Ball Dentistry in Indianapolis, Indiana. We're moving from 8 chairs to 12 chairs, and that's a huge undertaking. We weren't confident where we needed to go, so coming to a workshop where you get to hear from multiple speakers on different disciplines has just been invaluable, and it's really given us a lot of clarity being here this weekend.
It's also been great to be able to go upstairs to the showroom and look and touch and feel all of the equipment that we've been talking about in the design seminar. There's so many options to look at. Just a wonderful experience in that regard as well. There's a lot as dentists that we don't know about, so this kind of points out lots of things to us, obviously, to learn more about, and just feel like you have trusted professionals giving you advice on those topics.